Hi everyone, welcome back for another tutorial. In this tutorial I want to show you how to fix Lightroom issues, because the thing is, a lot of people, they go like, oh, okay, then I just updated my Lightroom, it's freezing, it's crashing, it's really slow. So I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that problem. So the first thing you need to do is you need to think about what have you got as your hardware. So I would advise always to have an SSD to run your operating system and all your programs, so it's way faster than normal mechanical drives. And then obviously you need a dedicated graphics card, so either an NVIDIA or AMD graphics card. In my case, I've got an NVIDIA, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to install the GeForce Experience. I already have installed, by the way. So this program basically just checks all my drivers, they're up to date. And as you can see, you click here, check for updates. I know there's an update right here, and I would click Express Installation, and the screen might flicker a bit, but it's perfectly normal. Then you do a restart and you're ready to go. So that's the main reason. You need to have all your drivers up to date. In this case, my ones, even though they're not up to date, still does the job. So once you've got your drivers updated, you need to go to Settings and Edit, Preferences, and if you have some issues, just the first thing you want to do is change the cache. So I'm going to open my these are the hard drives I've got. So this is my main hard drive, which is an SSD. This one here, it's actually a hard drive where I've got a couple of games, and I use it as a cache as well. So as you can see, I've got the cache, all of it right here. So that's very important to run as smooth as possible, to have the cache on another SSD. But if you don't have another SSD, let's say you've got a laptop and you can't add a second hard drive, make sure that your local disk always has more than 25% available, because the SSDs, they tend to slow down after they are over 75% of usage. And if you, let's say you are just about to the 75%, once you start working, and it will add cache. So therefore, by default comes the cache maximum size 5 gig. So once you reach those 5 gig, obviously it will slow down, it will freeze everything until you purge cache. So if you've got enough hard drive space, and I do, just go for 10 gig, 20 gig. In my case, I can go 30 gig, I can go even more. But purge cache, it clears everything, so you're good to go. And as you can see, I've got a 1060 6GB graphics card. Also, you've got use graphics processor. Some graphics cards, they're not 100% compatible with the enhancement within Lightroom Classic. So the best thing to do is just go and turn it off. The performance, it won't affect much. I can assure you it doesn't affect much, but it will solve all of those issues that you might have. And that's it. If you follow these tips, I'm pretty sure your Lightroom Classic will run super smooth and efficiency. Okay, then that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your family, friends, and even with those you don't know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.